It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It's the dictionary definition of a premium SUV. In it, you'll get lasting luxury and constant capability. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, power telescoping steering column, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and V6 engine. Cars Direct proclaims the GLE's beautifully crafted interior leaves you wanting for nothing. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.